Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a video in Capcut step by step. Exporting your video allows you to save your finished project and share it on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your computer and open the project you want to export. Before exporting, preview your video to make sure all your edits, effects, transitions, and audio are exactly how you want them. Once you're satisfied with your project, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. A new window will appear with several export settings. First, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the exported video. Next, review the video settings. You can adjust the resolution, such as 720p, 1080p, or 4K, depending on your needs. You can also choose the frame rate. For most videos, 30 frames per second works well, while 60 frames per second is ideal for smoother motion. In addition, you can adjust the video quality or bitrate if needed. Higher quality settings produce better-looking videos, but they also create larger file sizes. Once you've selected your preferred settings, click Export. Capcut will now begin rendering and exporting your video. The export time will vary depending on the length of your project and your computer's performance. After the export is complete, you'll find the finished video in the folder you selected earlier. You can now upload, share, or use your video wherever you like. And that's it. You've successfully exported a video in Capcut. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Capcut tutorials and video editing tips. See you in the next video.